Hello everyone, I'm Sam. Let's have a look at how microwave devices are classified in different ways. Firstly, we can classify them from the microwave transmission distance.
Microwave equipment includes short-haul and long-haul, depending on the transmission distance. Short-haul features flexibility in installation and deployment and uses the 6 to 42 GHz frequency range. Typically, the transmission distance is from several kilometers to several dozen kilometers. Long-haul microwave usually uses an 11 GHz or lower frequency band, supports 4 or more channels, and transmission distances of over 100 kilometers.
Second, we can classify them from the microwave frequency band.
Microwave equipment can further be categorized into common band, E-band, V-band, and sublink. Based on the frequency band being used, common band typically includes the 6 to 42 GHz range and is being exhausted by the increasing barrier requirements in mobile broadband. E-band microwave typically operates at 80 GHz. Compared to the common band, E-band features large capacity, minimal interference between sites, and plentiful spectrum resource. The transmission distance ranges from hundreds of meters to several kilometers. E-band is well suited to handling large capacity backhaul requirements. V-band microwave typically operates at 60 GHz and is license-free. The fast fading dynamics and a transmission distance limited to within several hundred meters make this band especially well suited to small cell microwave backhaul solutions. Sublink typically operates at less than 6 GHz. This band is also license-free in most countries and is often used in endless backhaul links. The transmission distance ranges from a few hundred meters to tens of kilometers.
Finally, we can classify them from microwave device type.
Microwave devices can also be classified into full indoor, split, and full outdoor, based on their installation scenario.
The baseband, IF, and RF units of full indoor microwave equipment are installed indoors and connect to an antenna through elliptical and flexible waveguides. For split microwave equipment, the IDU with the baseband and IF units is installed indoors or in an outdoor cabinet. The ODU with the RF unit and antenna are installed outdoors. The IDU and ODU are connected using an IF cable. Split microwave equipment is easy to install and provides high system gain. As for full outdoor microwave equipment, the baseband, IF, and RF units are installed outdoors.
That's all for today. Thank you.